where we sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi!
Hello everyone! Welcome back to the educational channel. Dear students, today we are going to start 4th lesson from Periwinkle English course book for 4th standard. That lesson name is called Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Unit 4, lesson number 4, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Dear children, I think most of you may know about the stories of Aladdin, isn't it? Yes, of course, because it is a fairy tales. The tale of Aladdin is found in the Arabian Nights Tales. The Arabian Night Tales. That book is an enchanting and magical collection of fairy tales. The Arabian Nights Tales are an enchanting and magical collection of fairy tales. And it was happened, these all stories made in Arab countries. Do you know Arab countries? Shortly we can say UAE, means United Arab Emirates. See? So, in your textbook, one of the story of Aladdin stories we will learn. And I think you may watch in the serial or in the cartoon film these stories. It is very beautiful stories and very bravery stories, and also it is very magical and enchanting stories, very interesting stories. So we will learn in this video reading 4 paragraphs, explanation and new words. So this is the first part of the lesson. So in this video we will discuss 4 paragraphs of the lesson. So before, you can see here list of meaning of new words. Take the screenshot and write it down, or else these are given in your textbook, just to copy in your English notebook. Okay children, so without further delay, let's get started. Here you can see our lesson. So before we start the lesson, you should keep your course book in front of you and listen carefully. So the title of the lesson is Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Listen carefully children, put your finger. Many years ago, in a small town in Persia, a little boy Aladdin lived with his mother. They were very poor. His mother used to do small little chores for the rich Nawabs and earn some money. With that money, she used to feed herself and her little son. Aladdin had never gone to school. The story begins so many years ago in a small town in Persia. Where it was? Persia, it is one of the country of UAE, means United Arab Emirates. In Persia country, a small town, in one small town, in that town, a small town, living a poor little boy. His name called Aladdin. He was living with his mother because he didn't have father. Maybe his father left them. So they were very poor because his mother was doing small little chores Chores means here household works, small household works like cooking and washing. In the rich Nawabs, here Nawabs means like a MLA, rich person on that town, who are a rich person in that town. In their palace, his mother doing small household works, and in that money, how much money she will earn, in that money, in that small money, they used to feed herself and her little son. So how much money they can give, who rich Nawabs, in that money only they are living. So Aladdin had never gone to school because he was very poor, so that he didn't go to school. Always he spent time to playing and helping to his mother, doing something small works in home and outside. So one day, next paragraph, look at here, put your finger. One day, as Aladdin was playing in the street with his friends, a tall, well-dressed man approached him. "You must be Aladdin, my brother's son. I have come all the way from Africa to meet your mother and you." Saying this, he forcefully picked up the little boy and kissed him on his forehead. Aladdin was totally surprised. He didn't know what to do. Seeing the boy's reluctance, the stranger pressed some money into his palm. So when he was playing, one day when he was playing in the street with his friends, at that time a tall, well-dressed man approached, means reached, came near to him, and he said that, "You must be Aladdin." Look at your picture. When he was playing, here tall and well-dressed man, is looking very rich man. He came near to Aladdin, and his approach means he came near to Aladdin and said that, "You must be Aladdin." He recognized he was Aladdin. So I came from Africa to meet you and your mother because you are my relative, because your father was my brother. So you are my brother's son, and your mother and you I wanted to meet you and your mother, so that I came from Africa. Saying this, he forcefully picked up, he hugged and picked up to Aladdin and kissed him with affection and with lovely. He kissed on his forehead. Then Aladdin was surprised, become wondered, because his mother and his father, nobody has said about that person. He was a very stranger of him, so that he didn't know what to do. He become struck, means he become reluctant. Here reluctance means unwillingly, not interest to, because he not giving interest to that strange person. So if he didn't know about that person, then how will he become close to them? Is it? So he too not become close to the strange person. That's why he become struck. He wondered and quiet. He didn't speak anything. So then when he saw the Aladdin, when he become reluctant, not giving interest, whatever he is telling, he is not giving interest to that words. Then seeing this, the strange person pressed some money, means he had put some money on Aladdin's palm. Okay, then he become happy, and when he was not given interest to him, then he pressed, means he put some money on his palm. Who? The strange person. Then next paragraph, Aladdin was happy. He took the stranger to his house. The man introduced himself to Aladdin's mother and gave her some money too. So when the strange man pressed some money on his palm, he become very happy, and then he took him to his house. Then that man, the strange person who said he is Aladdin's uncle, he said that he was Aladdin's uncle, or in Hindi he can say Chacha. Then that man entered along with Aladdin into his house. Then he introduced himself. The strange man introduced himself to Aladdin's mother. Aladdin's mother also don't know about him. She too didn't know about him. So that himself he introduced to his mother and gave her some money. I hope you understood this. Next paragraphs, look at here. He chatted with them for some time and then left. He promised to return the next morning and take Aladdin out for the whole day. The little boy had never ventured too far away from his house. He was excited and apprehensive at the same time. So when the strange person entered in the Aladdin's house, he spent some time chatting with his mother and him, and then they believed him he was really relative of their family. Then after some time, after he went and he promised that when he will come next morning, he will take Aladdin out for whole day. It means one day picnic. He wanted to spend time with Aladdin in outside. So that he promised that, so tomorrow morning I will come and I will take Aladdin to out whole day to enjoy that day. So then the little boy had never ventured too far away from his house, because here that little boy means Aladdin had never dared to go far away, means he was always playing near his house in a small town. So without his mother, any other strange person, along with any other strange persons, he had never gone. He had never dared to go far away from his house, from his town, so that he was very excited. So he became very happy, curious, and also he felt fearful at the same time. So when the strange person said him to, I will take whole day Aladdin to outside to enjoy that day, then he become excited. Excited means he was become very curious, eagerness. And that time, at the same time, he become fearful. He become afraid. For example, if anybody stranger came near to them, near to you, then he said, I will take outside whole day, we will enjoy. Then you suddenly, will you go to with him? No way. So he was become afraid also, and he was excited too. So next paragraph. The next morning, as promised, the stranger came and took Aladdin out. They went out of the town, crossing many fields and rivers and forests. Then they reached a mountain. By now, Aladdin was completely at ease with this strange man. He asked the little boy to collect some sticks. Then he made a fire. He said some magic words, and the earth opened up before them, showing many stairs leading downwards. So as he promised, the strange person, as he promised, he came next morning and took Aladdin out. And on the way they crossed many fields and rivers and forests, and then they reached a mountain. Then they were enjoying there. Aladdin was completely at ease. Here at ease, it means become comfortable. Aladdin was completely believed that person was my uncle, my relative. Then he was comfortable with that strange person now. So whole day they were enjoying, and also he become close to the strange person. By now, at that time, he asked the little boy to collect some sticks. So when they were sitting, then the strange person asked the little boy to collect some stick, and then he made a fire, and they sat opposite and middle. Look at your picture. The middle made a fire, and they sat here opposite. And then when he sat, that strange person sat, and after few minutes he chanting some magic words. So when he was chanting some magic words, then the earth opened before them. Look at here picture. So the earth round shape here, look at here, in the earth opened. Then he was become surprised. He become who? Aladdin was become struck. Then he looked down there where Aladdin before him he looked there. It was showing many stairs to go downstairs, means to go under in the earth to go, it was showing. So then next what happened we will see in the next video. So we will continue remaining paragraphs in the next video. Now I am going to explain briefly today's paragraphs by showing the pictures. Look at here. Once upon a time, in a small town in Persia, there lived a little boy called Aladdin. he lived with his mother. They were very poor because his mother was doing household work, small household works in rich Nawab's home or palace. With that money she will use to feed her little son, so that he did not get much money, so he had never gone to school. One day when he was playing, at that time a tall well dressed man came near to him and he said that you are my brother's son, so I came from Africa to meet you and your mother. Saying this, he picked up and kissed him. Then Aladdin became surprised, wondered. So what to do he didn't know. Then he became reluctant, not given interest. Then the strange person had put some money on his palm. Then Aladdin was become happy and he brought him in his house and he introduced himself to his mother and gave some money. Then both each other chatted some thoughts, and next he promised he will come next morning and took him. So then he was excited, Aladdin, and also he became fearful. So you look at here. So as he promised, the strange person promised he came next morning and took Aladdin out. So they went out of the town, crossed many fields, rivers, forests, and at the last they reached a mountain. Now Aladdin was totally believed with his strange person. Then he asked us collect some sticks and then made fire. They sat each other opposite direction. So when he chanted some magic words, suddenly the earth opened before them. So when he see that earth, it was showing many states. Look at the picture. When he saw downstairs, it was showing many stairs, means many steps to go downwards. So go downwards, he become surprised. He saw there what was going, he didn't know. So up to here we discussed in this video. I hope you understood this. Remaining paragraph we will continue in the next video. Okay children, now take down the homework. Write the meaning of new words in English notebook one time and read the whole lesson 2 times. Is it clear, students? So which meaning of new words have given in this video, those you have to write in English notebook and read whole lesson. So you will get the idea, and it is also very interesting story. You must read this story. Okay children? So we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. See you again. Thank you my dear students.
Thank you, thank you.